Hey everybody, it's Mr. Regner again. And as we begin A Midsummer Night's Dream, Act 1, Scene 2, we have a totally different scene. So we're leaving Athens and the palace of Theseus. We're leaving Theseus, Aegeus, Hermia, Lysander, Demetrius, all these guys. And now we're going to be going to a different scene, different characters. So I want to introduce you to some of them. And they're going to be actually actors. Now, they're not like professional actors like we think of Hollywood actors today. That's all they do is they act. All right, these are guys that kind of do different things. And so the leader of them is Peter Quince. You can see his picture there. His picture will appear in our books as well. So we just call him Quince. His name's Peter Quince. He's like the leader of the whole acting troupe. All right, so he's kind of in charge, if you will. We also have this guy, which his name's Bottom. Nick Bottom. So Bottom's his last name, and it's kind of a fitting name in a way because he sort of acts like a bottom. He's kind of full of himself. He thinks he is a very good actor. He wants to kind of take on all the roles. If he could, he would do that. And so there he is. Again, his name is Bottom. And then we have sort of just a group of people. We kind of lump them all together and call them the workmen. All right, so the workmen you can see here, officially, they do have names. We have Flute, Snug, Snout, and Starveling. So those are their real names, but a lot of times we just kind of call them the workmen. So all together here, and I'm trying to juggle all my papers. Let's see how I can do it. There we go. There they all are. Oh, they look like a handsome group. Now, these are all the actors, so they take on different roles. They try to perform plays, and sometimes Bottom falls over and Quince falls over, but there we go. Okay, so they try to perform plays together, and they're going to carry on these plays. They're very excited because there's going to be a royal wedding, a royal in a way, because the Duke of Athens, Theseus, is going to be married to Hippolyta, and so as a part of that wedding celebration, there's a chance that they might be able to perform a play. And so as we begin Act 1 and Scene 2, we really get to know these characters. They're going to become an important part of our story later on for sure. And so I think you guys will be excited about that. So we'll be reading the summary, and then we'll get into the actual Shakespearean language and reading Act 1, Scene 2 as well.